Hey guys, welcome to my video on using the Darwinia network cross-chain bridge. And what we can see here is the Darwinia homepage, and they're currently running a crowdloan. I'll put a link down in the video below to join the crowdloan and support Darwinia so they can win a slot on the Polkadot network. So to get this started, first we're going to need to get a Polkadot.js account set up. So go ahead and go to polkadot.js.org, download for your browser, add this to Chrome, and then head over to metamask.io, hit the download now button, and install MetaMask on your browser. You can go ahead and click get started, and then either import a wallet using a recovery phrase or set up a new wallet. When you set up a new wallet, make sure to write down your seed phrase and save it somewhere securely. Once you've got that set up, you should be able to get inside the MetaMask account. At the top here, you'll see the network, and you can select the Ethereum network. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to add a new network. We're going to want to add the Crab Smart module or the Crab Smart. And what we're going to do is hit on Add Network here, and you can see the details for the Crab Smart module over here now. So I'll put a link in the comments as well to add this automatically, or you can fill it out as you see there. Go ahead and click on Save, and now you should see the Crab network added in the top right account with the token Crab showing over there. Okay, now we're going to head back to the Darwinia website, and we're going to go ahead and click on Apps over here. Okay, so we should see the Darwinia app launch here. And what it's going to need to do is, if you don't have an account, you're going to need to create one now. Save the seed phrase and the JSON file somewhere safely. And then once you're in your account here, you may need to allow it to connect to Polkadot.js, which I have already done. And so I can see I have my accounts here. I can also at the top here switch between the Darwinia network and the Crab network. So I'm going to head over to the Crab network and save and reload. So what I want to do now is I want to send some Crab to this Crab Smart address that I've just created. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over here. I'm going to copy my address because this is a Ethereum based address. I need to try find the substrate based address. So I can head down to the toolbox here, pop in this DMV address over here, and it's going to give the Darwinia network account ID or the substrate address. I can then copy that, head back to my account over here, and click on transfer. And what I want to do is send to address. I'm going to click in there and paste. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the bottom one over here, which is what I've pasted. I can see the start and the end is the same. And then I'm going to set my amount of Crab over here. So I'm going to send 10 Crab. As you can see, there's currently 11 Crab in there. And I'm going to click Make Transfer. And you can see the information about the transaction here. And I'm going to click Sign and Submit. Now it's going to ask me to verify this transaction. I'm going to enter my password and sign the transaction. What we'll see there is the transaction is currently processing. And I get a confirmation. And if I pop over to my MetaMask account, we should see that almost instantly the Crab has arrived. So it's as easy as that to transfer your Crab over across using the Crab Smart module. What we're going to do next is look at the wormhole. And so what we can do is we can select on the wormhole over here. Once the wormhole opens up, you're going to need to allow it to connect to your MetaMask account. As I can see here, the extension of MetaMask is connected to this website I'm currently viewing. You may also need to allow your Polkadot extension access to this. When we want to transfer from Darwinia to the Crab Smart Network using the wormhole here. And we're going to need to select the Darwinia account here under the sender account. I had to go and add my Darwinia account by clicking import account from pre-existing seed to get it to show here, and then I can just simply select it over there. The address I'm going to send to is this smart address over here, and I'm going to paste it in there, and we're going to send ring. So because we're sending the ring and we're sending from Darwinia, we're going to pay the transaction in ring. Oh, looks like it just disconnected for a second there. Let's go ahead and reconnect. I'm going to go ahead and send the 60, and we're going to click on submit, confirm, and now we're going to need to sign the transaction with our Darwinia password. Go ahead and save that, submit it, and just give it a couple moments. So we can go into the cross-chain history now. It says the transaction has been sent. Please check. So what we now need to do is we need to go ahead and import our tokens. So and click add custom token. I'm going to go import tokens, and now we have the account, and we head back here. Now we can see we've added our xRING. So just by hitting the search button there, we can see that our transaction is currently in progress to our address. It's currently waiting to deliver. So we'll check back in a couple minutes and see once it has delivered. 10 xRING has now been delivered to my account. So quite easily sent ring from Darwinia network using the wormhole over to my MetaMask account, which is using the Crab Smart address. So as you can see, that's all pretty easy. Lastly, we're just going to take a look at the Darwinia network Crowdloan here. I highly recommend everyone to join. They've got a pretty good bonus going on right now. What you can do is scroll down here and see the rewards. There's a Metaverse NFT package where you get evolution land, land, apostle drills, treasure boxes when your contribution is greater or equal to 10 dot, and you will have a chance to get a limited edition commemorative NFT in the package. The package will be awarded whether Darwinia win or loses, and if Darwinia loses, you will get your dot back. If Darwinia wins the spot, your dot is locked for 2 years and is then returned after 2 years. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope that you have a bit of a better understanding on how to use the Darwinia network cross-chain bridge. And I hope everyone goes ahead and supports their Crowdloan. Please see the links below for adding the addresses to your wallets to make it as easy as possible. Thanks, everyone. Bye.